If you've ever spent 2 hours manually formatting a financial model, blue inputs, black formulas, borders on every subtotal, I'm going to show you how Claude does it in about 30 seconds. Here's the situation. I've got a basic income statement for a company called Acme Corp. 3 years of actuals, 2 years of projections. It works fine, but it looks like this. No color coding, no borders, numbers aren't even formatted as dollars. If you handed this to anyone on a deal, they'd send it straight back. Now let me show you what happens when I open Claude in Excel and just ask. I'm going to type exactly this. Format this model using IB conventions. Blue for hard-coded inputs, black for formulas. Watch what it does. It's reading every cell. It knows the difference between a number I typed in, like this revenue figure, and a formula that calculates gross profit. Inputs go blue, formulas stay black. It's not guessing, it's actually checking. Done. That would have taken me 20 minutes by hand. Now let's make it actually presentable. Next prompt. Add headers with a dark blue background, borders on all subtotal rows, and format numbers as dollars with commas. Zeros should show as a dash. So now we've got a proper header row, white text on navy. Every subtotal line, gross profit, EBITDA, net income, has a border above and below it. And look at the margin rows at the bottom. Those are percentages formatted to 1 decimal with a dash instead of a 0. That's the standard. That's what a real model looks like. Here's the one that actually saves your life. I've also got an assumptions tab, and it's still raw. Apply consistent formatting to the assumption sheet. Match the style from the income statement. Same header style, same color logic, same number formats. It looked at what we already did and matched it without me spelling out every rule again. 3 prompts, dark blue headers, IB color coding, consistent formatting across the whole workbook. The kind of thing that used to eat up an afternoon is done before your coffee gets cold. The sample file I used in this video is linked below. Download it, try these prompts yourself, and you'll see exactly what Claude can and can't do on a real model. If you want to see Claude build the actual financial model from scratch, not just format it, that's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it.